This module shows how the portal screen grants access to all the main app features and how to move between them using the navigation drawer. The portal screen appears once everything has loaded. It acts as an entryway to the main feature within the app, but it also displays your current reading plan or study guide, shows recently viewed and new resources, and lists latest news and announcements. You can swipe up and down to view all these options. The portal will welcome you by name. Beneath this is a recommended reading plan or study guide. This may be a new plan you are yet to start studying or one you have already started. The total number of sessions will be displayed on the left along with your current progress if applicable. Tap on the icons in the center to open a main feature. Certain app screens take longer to load than others, so please remain patient until they do. You may notice that some icons have a red circle and a white plus symbol next to them. These signify that new content is available within that screen, like a new Bible version or text. Tap on the icon for further information. Swiping down will reveal the recently viewed and new resource list. These will only appear if you have opened a resource or if a new ebook file or media file becomes available. Swipe to the side to view all items, then tap on one to open it. Please note that some new resources require you to download them first through the resources screen, then sync. Refer to the resources tutorial for further information. The verse of the day pane shows today's chosen Bible verse selected by your support team. Verses will match your chosen default version, which is covered in the settings tutorial. Tap on the verse to open the full reference in the Bible. At the bottom of the portal is the latest news and announcements section. Important information will be shared here and downloaded when you sync. Remember to swipe down and review any new items. At the top of the portal screen is the Options menu. Tap on the three buttons to view these options. They are covered in detail in the Settings tutorial. There are several methods you can use to help you navigate through the app. The easiest way is to use the back button on your device to return to the portal screen. You may need to tap it several times for this to work correctly. Alternatively, you can use the navigation drawer. Slowly swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right. The navigation drawer will slide out. It displays all the main screens within the app. Swipe down this menu to see the available options. The drawer is divided into features, user records, and system tools. It is available on every screen, so you can easily jump between screens. To open a screen, simply tap on an icon or text. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.